Welcome to Techcybo.com. This is part 39 of creating responsive website with ASP.NET and Bootstrap. If you haven't watched the previous videos, either you watch the video or download the project files and database, links in the description. In this video, I am going to show you how to optimize our HTML code with the use of the master page. In our current projects and pages we are not used master pages, so code reusability is one of the important considerations of programming. In this way we can use single master page for multiple roles. First, create a master page for our general pages. First, add Bootstrap and jQuery files. Add CSS file and head section in JavaScript above closing body tag. So these are the pages that we need to add master page. First, let's add the master page to our default page. So first, add the navigation area to our master page. After that, add the footer section. Now we need to add our code behind functions on the master page. Now map our master page to the default page. Now our master page is fully ready, so let's delete unwanted codes from the default page, because we are going to use the master page for this page. Now we are successfully added master page to default page. Repeat these steps for all other pages also. In our sign up page after converting to master page layout, the footer section comes wrong. To solve this, we need to add a container to our division. Also, we need to tweak our custom center page CSS class. Next, let's integrate master page and forgot password page. After that we can convert the reset password page. Next we can integrate master page and user homepage. After that, remove code behind code, because we already handled everything in master page code behind. Also add a container div for our label. Next, now our general master page, we can use it in user master pages also. So after that, we don't need user master page because we manage sign in state and sign out state in general master page. First, let's convert product view page. Next, products page. After that, let's convert payment page. Next, cart page. Now we are integrated general master page in all user pages. Now we don't need our user master page because we handle the general master page to cater both registered user and non-registered user. Delete user master page. Now let's fix our navigation links. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up, it helps our channel a lot, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.